Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, October 19th. NASDAQ market struggling a bit, but I like these indices overall. We saw the Dow giving us a nice clean move, and I'm looking for more of the same when it comes to the NASDAQ. Right now, it just doesn't have that kind of order flow to give us that commitment, but that is what I'm looking for on Thursday, and that would be a close near 61.40 to the upside. Let's move on though and take a look at what's going on in those currencies. Did the dollar get stronger or weaker? What's going on there? And we can see in the euro, let's just open that up for you, that it did trade above its bullish level, and the magnitude change in this market between the bullish and bearish levels here is $250 a contract. I do look for follow through to the upside, and a close above 1860 would be the objective for that market. Interest rates, that I like what we're seeing here. The 10-year notes break into the downside. I don't look for the same kind of movement, but I do look for a down move in this market. I think selling pressure is going to continue the rest of this week. Gold needs a reason to do something, and right now it just doesn't have it. So I think we should be cautious. It's approaching levels that buyers could come back in, but right now nothing telling us to be a buyer at the current levels. Let's talk about copper. Copper traded below its bearish levels. Now this is one position. This would be the second position on the long side. These are bullish levels from my point of view. Now, from this lower level, from 294 up to 318, that magnitude change per contract would be $6,000 a contract. From the next level at 304 to that bearish level, the magnitude change there would be $3,500 a contract. I am not bearish on this market, and I'm looking for a little bit lower movement, but I think we could firm up on Thursday's action. And let's move on over to crude oil. Crude oil is a market that is also struggling. It doesn't know what to do, and I'm looking for that to continue. I looked for an inside day for Wednesday, and I'm looking for the same on Thursday. And soybeans, well, let's see what's happening there with that market. It's breaking lower. It wants to go higher. Can these buyers be found? I have my doubts about that, but it still has a bullish bias. I would not want to be a buyer at current levels. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.